I just wanted to record a quick video. So I agree. Yeah, we kind of messed up with that party name. So anyways, I went back. I'm going to send this to you, but I went back and just thought, if we just did, if we have a party info class and, a piece of data of the party info would be the party name. So let's say it's the Republican Party, and then like you said, we could have their ideology, who's their chairperson, etc. So I think if we put that back into here, that would be good. And then the person class, I don't think I changed anything there. And then we had the politician. So the politician, let me scroll up, sorry. The politician would also have a string for party name, and I think that's okay. And then if you had the party name, you could, if you had a list of party info, like you could find a matching party info that has the same party name, and then that way you could print out like all the Republican information. So I think that would work as well. But for right now, a politician has a party. They have a type, whether they're the state representative. And then one thing I did notice though, and politician extends person. I think this is all stuff that we did yesterday. The only thing I did was add back in the party name. And then I did notice, I was looking at your policies class, and I was wondering, the way that you have it right now, you have a string called abortion. So what would go in that string? Would it just say true? Would it say yes or no? So, and the other thing is, if you do it this way, where you declare variables that have the name of the policy, then you kind of limit yourself, right? So how would you add another policy? You would, maybe you had a policy on discrimination or something like that. You would have to actually update the code. So instead, you could have maybe like an array list in here of policies. So it would be a string array list, and then maybe you add all the different policies that could exist. So maybe abortion, gun control, climate change, immigration, etc. And then this would act as a master list of all available policies. But then what you would do is in your politician class, you would have its own array list called policies. And you could use the other list to say, okay, does this politician have abortion as a policy? If it does, then you can add it to this list. Does this politician have gun control? Yes, add it to their personal list, because you want the politician's list of policies separate from the generic policies that are like a more global, all the policies that are available. So that was just something that I saw that you might want to think about. I don't know if my suggestion for how to change this is the best. But another option would be you could keep it this way, but just make them Boolean variables, and abortion is true or false, whether or not that particular politician has an abortion policy or not. So anyways, just wanted to kind of point that out. I noticed that this morning when I was looking at this. And then in the code that I'm going to send you, I just updated the test harness to create two different subclasses of the person class like we talked about, and just printed out. I didn't do anything with the interface. I got your message about an interface that would set something to null. It sounds like a good idea. I'm actually not really sure about that, but give it a try. I'd love to see it. And if you are still stuck, let's talk tomorrow. All right, kiddo. Talk to you soon. Love you.